Show me how. I'm going to show you how to fix a 4-inch drain that's been cracked due to ditch witching. So this is what we're doing because we're going to be running some lines, electrical and a water line. So we went down with a ditch witch good about 20 inches, 22 inches. And we hit a little bit of a 4-inch drain there. And we're going to show you how to fix that. It's real simple. Use a couple no-hub connectors and a piece of pipe. Now back in the old days, and this is a good trick, is you could actually cut open a coupling, kind of butterfly it open, cut one side open and then leave the other side almost cut open like a hinge. And then you can rewrap the coupling around your around your existing pipe. That was a good trick to do a long time ago, and use glue, and it still would work today. So we're going to dig this out and I'll show you how this works. A couple of no hubs and some new pipe, ABS drain. So we're going to use a Sawzall. It's pretty common. Drain lines don't have any pressure on it, so it's really, you've got a pretty good see that was cleaned out. They'll cut it back. You can see the chip, so they'll just cut that back clean, and then we will no hub. Here's the other side, and I will show you the no hubs. And here's what's going on. 2 no hubs, and these come in different sizes. And basically, it's just really high-grade rubber with some clamps, and then your ABS 4-inch pipe. And you try to cut the pipe as tight as you can to make it a perfect fit. You'll slide these over, okay? What you'll do is you'll slide them over, loosen them up, and then slide them on your pipe, okay? Such as like over here. And then when you butt this pipe to the other side, you can slide your coupling back over it, and I will show you this. Cleaned out, there's no burrs, the cuts are super clean. These guys always do a great job, and we hit a little bit of drainage here. Pipe has been marked, and now we're going to cut it. Sometimes you have to really open those clamps up. They get a little stubborn on you. Yeah. But it's a fairly easy concept. The guy that obviously designed the no hub connectors allowed this process to be done with simplicity. Unlike the old days, pipe fitting and whatnot, this would have been a 5-hour job instead of a 30-minute job. Let's see how this works. Just see they got a really nice fit there. Just a tad too snug, but it doesn't hurt to be tight. Tighter the better. again, this is your basic drain system, and anywhere in your house or out in the country or your ranch. But same ideal. If you were working in your house and you had to fix a drain, you can no hub it with this thing. Alright, so you can see, use a little cordless input. So there you have it. Show me how, just showed you how to fix a drain with 2 no-hub connectors and new pipe. Okay? So there you have it. Thank you.